Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to recharge your PayPay account at a 7-Eleven ATM. First, head over to the ATM and tap on the Recharge e-money button on the screen. Next, tap on QR Recharge. A QR code will appear on the ATM screen. Now, open your PayPay app on your phone and scan that QR code just like I'm showing here. Once scanned, a 4-digit number will pop up on your phone. Tap Next on the ATM screen, enter that 4-digit number, and tap Confirm. Now, just select how much money you want to recharge. For this video, I'm going to recharge 1,000 yen. I've selected 1,000 yen, so now I just insert the cash into the machine. Within just a few seconds of inserting your money, the balance will instantly update in your app. Don't forget to grab your receipt. If you want to maximize your benefits, make sure to watch my full step-by-step video guide on how to apply for a PayPay credit card, and check out my other PayPay-related videos for more tips. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more tips on living in Japan.